Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Cutthroat Ring in Windrose. Now I would like to tell you this beforehand, that I only got this ring inside a coastal jungle that is surrounded by the foothills. So it's inside an area that is around level 5 to 10. But by the looks of it, this can be obtained by chance. However, in this example of mine, instead of finding the ring inside some ruins, this one I found with an X mark on the map that is connected to the Blackbeard crew treasure map questline. You can get these scraps of treasure maps in between the Blackbeard camps you can find scattered around the map, starting from the small ones to the bigger ones you can find later in the game. Of course, just make sure to bring a shovel so you can dig the chest out. Now the Cutthroat Ring can increase your crit damage by 10% at its lowest rarity. When this reaches to epic rank however, this will give you a total of 30% increased critical damage, offering you incredibly high damage if you build around it, but it'll still be effective even if you don't. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Cutthroat Ring in Windrose.